Install the Skyra application on your smartphone. Now open the email sent by the host application on your smartphone. By clicking on Let's Get Started, in this email we start the Skyra application. When using the Skyra application for the first time, we may need to create and register a login. Now we are logged into the Skyra application with the role of commissioning technician. Enter a PIN with at least 6 digits to secure the application, and then confirm. Allow Skyra to access his device's location, and allow Skyra to find Connect to and determine the relative position of nearby devices. We are now in the home view of the Skyra application on the smartphone. No Skyra key has been commissioned yet. This will now be added in the next step. By clicking on the Skyra Keys tab, we can commissioning a Skyra key. By clicking on the button Commission the Skyra key, we enter directly in the commissioning dialog. Now we follow the instructions in the Skyra app and press the button on the Skyra key at the following position. The Skyra key starts flashing rapidly blue. The key information will now be displayed on your smartphone, and the internal state changes from delivery to commission status. The Skyra key will now also synchronize with the cloud to write the rights to the Skyra key. The Skyra key is now ready to use. By clicking on Continue, we return to the main menu. In the factory default state, a Skyra key has access to the Skyra door lock without specific authorization. This is indicated by 3 green flashing signals. With one click, we switch to the Skyra Locks tab in the Skyra application. Then click on Commissioning the Skyra Lock. Choose the appropriate access point, as well as the corresponding time zone in the selection list, and confirm your selection with a click. Now we go directly to the commissioning dialog. Now we follow the instructions in the Skyra app and press the button on the Skyra key at the following position. The Skyra key starts flashing rapidly blue. Now we insert the Skyra key into the Skyra door lock according to the instructions and wait. Until commissioning is completed with the message Successful. By clicking on Continue, we return to the home view on the Skyra Locks tab in the Skyra application. Successful commissioning with an authorized user is indicated by a single green flash when the Skyra key is inserted. To check the current status, click on the Your Skyra Key tab. And on the Skyra key, press the button at the following position. The Skyra key is now synchronized with the Skyra application on the smartphone. Successful synchronization is confirmed with a green check mark and the current timestamp by clicking on the eye symbol. Information about the Skyra key and the last access event is displayed. To get new or changed permissions from a host system to a Skyra key, click on Synchronize with Skyra Service. And a pending update is displayed with a red icon and loaded directly into the Skyra application. Now we follow the instructions in the Skyra app and press the button on the Skyra key at the following position. The Skyra key starts flashing rapidly blue. The Skyra key is now synchronized with the Skyra application. Successful synchronization is confirmed with a green check mark and the current timestamp. The Skyra key now has the new permissions and is ready for use. On the Skyra Locks tab in the Skyra application, click on Decommission the Skyra Lock. Confirm by clicking on Decommission. Now we follow the instructions in the Skyra app and press the button on the Skyra key at the following position. The Skyra key starts flashing rapidly blue. Now we insert the Skyra key into the Skyra lock according to the instructions and wait. The internal state changes from commissioned to not commissioned. Successful decommissioning is confirmed with a green tick. The Skyra key can now be removed. Now send the current status to the Skyra service. To do this, switch to the Your Skyra Key tab and press the button on the Skyra key at the following position. The Skyra key starts flashing rapidly blue. The Skyra key is now synchronized with the Skyra service via the Skyra application. Successful synchronization is confirmed with a green tick. The decommissioning has now been successfully completed. Switch to the Skyra Key tab in the Skyra application. And click on Decommission the Skyra Key. And confirm with decommission. Now we follow the instructions in the Skyra app and press the button on the Skyra key at the following position. The Skyra key starts flashing rapidly blue. The internal status changes from commissioned to delivery state. Successful synchronization is confirmed with a green tick. The decommissioning process is now complete. Click on the Your Skyra Keys tab and synchronize the Skyra application by clicking on Synchronize with Skyra Service. A pending update is indicated by a red icon and loaded into the Skyra application. Now we follow the instructions in the Skyra app and press the button on the Skyra key at the following position. The Skyra key starts flashing rapidly blue. The Skyra key is now synchronized with the Skyra application and, if necessary, updated, and any available FW updates for the Skyra lock are downloaded. Successful synchronization is confirmed with a green tick. Now insert the Skyra key into the Skyra lock. The Skyra key starts flashing rapidly white. A single green flash indicates the end of the successful update of the Skyra lock. The Skyra key can now be removed. If an error message appears, you can click on Report to describe the problem and email it to the relevant help desk. Confirm with Continue, and the email will be sent. All important information will be sent immediately by clicking the Send button.